Hi everyone. So in this lesson, I'm going to quickly teach you what we do to combine one or more images in JPEG or PDF format into a single PDF file using Photoshop. And it's really easy. The first step you need to take is to click on the File tab. Then we go to the Automate tab, and you'll see PDF presentation there. Just click on it. It'll ask which files you want. Just click on Browse and choose one or more files. So in this case, I'm going to choose these two images as a test. I'll click Open here. You can choose the background color and other settings, and then click Save. Choose where you want to paste, save this PDF file, give it a name like Images, for example, and save it. Some information about PDF file compression will appear. If you don't want to change anything, just click Save PDF. And then we'll have it right here. The PDF file is already created with the two images, two or more images. So it's very easy, very simple. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lessons.